Welcome viewers. In this lecture, we discuss one more problem in binomial distribution. The question is, out of 800 families with 4 children each, how many families would be expected to have? The first option is 2 boys and 2 girls, at least 1 boy. Third option is at most 2 girls. Remember, here we are assuming equal probabilities for boys and girls. Equal probability indicate p value is 1 by 2 and q value is also 1 by 2. Remember, here we are considering each child as a trial. So 4 children indicates small n is equal to 4. Let capital X indicates the number of success. If you want, you can consider probability of success as boys or probability of success as birth of girls. That is Rwish only. Here I considered probability that the number of success as boys here. We know that the probability mass function of binomial distribution is P of capital X is equal to small x is NCX P power x q power n minus x, where x is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. up to n. My first option is probability that how many families would be expected to have 2 boys and 2 girls. That is probability that 2 boys and 2 girls. I may consider only the success case here. Success case indicates probability of getting boys alone. So that is 2 boys. So here it will be considered as P of x is equal to 2. When you substitute x is equal to 2, you will get 4c2 1 by 2 whole power 2 into 1 by 2 whole power 4 minus 2. After simplification, you might be getting 3 by 8. But in the question it is clearly mentioned out of 800 families. So, when you consider number of families having 2 boys and 2 girls as capital N into P of capital X is equal to 2. So, 800 into 3 by 8, which becomes 300. Remember, here capital N indicates the total number of families considered. Here we consider 800 different families. Second option, at least 1 boy. At least means minimum 1 boy should be there. So P of capital X greater than or equal to 1, that is nothing but 1 minus P of X is equal to 0. Because P of X greater than or equal to 1 means it might be like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to infinity. We cannot determine the answer easily, but we know the total probability is 1 minus P of X is equal to 0, which gives you the same answer. I am using this method here. 1 minus P of X is equal to 0. When you substitute X is equal to 0 values here, you will be getting 1 by 16. 1 minus 1 by 16 is 15 divided by 16. So, the number of families having at least 1 boy is nothing but capital N into 15 by 16. That is 800 into 15 by 16 becomes 750. And third option, probability that at most 2 girls. At most means that maximum count will be 2 girls here. Maximum 2 girls means minimum it will be any number. That is exactly 0 girl or 1 girl or 2 girl. Remember, here I consider the number of boys as success. So if it is 0 girls means that indicates 4 boys. If it is 1 girl means that indicates 3 boys. If it is 2 girls, then that indicates 2 boys here. Indirectly, the question will be P of X is equal to 4 plus P of X is equal to 3 plus P of X is equal to 2. When you substitute this in the above probability mass function formula, you might be getting the answer as 11 by 16. But how many number of families? The total number of families having at most 2 girls is 800 into 11 by 16, which will be 550. Thank you.